Alright, we have here a... Let's see if I can fix that too. Okay. Alright, so we have here ThinkPad LED indicator. ThinkPad? Oh, ThinkPad LED indicator. It's got a little dot on it. Okay. 3 short flashes continuously. When powering on, I get backlight and fan spin for a second. Okay. Damn, that's high quality paper. Okay. Battery. Okay. You'll have to cut the password bit out. Okay. So, what is this? Okay, we've got a password. So, apparently, a little girl using it. Yep, great. I think I've seen this model. Okay, we'll just put a cover over their names. Okay. Okay. So the power button is here. What's with this? That's weird, eh? What does that do? Oh, it comes together with the back? Okay, really weird. So I know it's broken off. Alright, bummer. I see, okay. Damn it, okay. Okay. This uses a square tip. Oh, okay, already have that ready. Oi. So we get nothing. Okay, so we do get something. It's got a cracked screen. Shit. Funny enough. Yoga, I think. What is the other one? Let me see the other one. Oh, this one's gonna go in the bin, I guess. I think it's working. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this machine. So there's nothing wrong with this machine. Okay, it's turned off. Turn it back on. No. Reason why there is another model. Let me get that model 1 second. I need torch. Here it is. Exact same model. This one came in the mail too, from another tech. Check out his one. Hi. His one got squished out of the laptop. Exact same model. He had a new keyboard. What a dodgy situation. Look at that material. So he put another laptop on top, not enough padding. Literally pressed through. What a shady material. Crack the screen out, you can see the LCDs popping out of the glass. It's just crazy, okay. So this one unfortunately has a cracked screen. I'm sure the laptop is working fine. I didn't do anything, it just works. So I'll leave it to the owner to see what they want to do. I'll connect the HDMI anyway, but it's just so funny. Both of them are from text, both of them have failed. I mean, smashed on the way. Oh, who uses this stupid micro HDMI? Mini HDMI. Oh man. I don't think I've got any more. You thought mini or micro HDMI was a great idea. Such a massive cable on such a tiny connection. Well, what do you know? I do have one. Okay. Now, if only I had a HDMI joiner. If I look deep enough, I'll find it, but I'm not gonna. Oh, hello. Give me a sec. Alright, so let's plug this baby in. Hi. Okay. Wow. Alright, that's plugged in. Let's turn it on. It's on here. So how do I enable second screen? Basically the operating system is not booting, or the storage medium is taken out. Should be operating system. Maybe it was saying date and time not set. Let's assume enter to continue or F1 to continue, I can't remember. Okay. But it's got a CMOS battery. Maybe it was disconnected. Okay. Just press F2. I can't see jack shit what I'm pressing. Anyway, we're going to assume the system works. There's actually nothing wrong with it. Can't see jack hole on the screen. Okay. Anyway. I'm currently in the hunt for a new, what do you call it? A Super IO. Let me see which one this one has. Hello Dash. A341P. This one is a KB9012F. No, it's not what I want. Okay. Anyway, don't think anything is wrong with this guy. We'll leave it as is. Maybe it was just they didn't have the charger wasn't good. Simple as that. Didn't really need to come out here. Okay. It was well packaged. How did that happen? Maybe the battery. Yeah. The battery squished it. Yeah, that explains a lot. Definitely the battery must have squished it. Because it is already tight fitting. Yeah, see. The battery in. So, so I just wrapped it up. So one side the battery has a thick part, which is a problem. Yeah, so it doesn't close all the way. Remove the battery. So that closes even easier. Whereas this guy. Yeah, just a little bit floating, but in the box, with the other box, it got squashed. Okay, crappy video. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.